In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox stuck on loading screen on PS4 or PS5. If you are experiencing issues with Roblox getting stuck on the loading screen while playing on your PS4 or PS5, here are some steps you can try to resolve the problem. The first thing that you can do is to log out of other sessions. Open Roblox on your smartphone. Now go to settings and tap on security. Scroll down and tap on logout of all other sessions and confirm the logout. You'll be logged out from both the app and your PlayStation. Now, the second thing that you can do is to turn on Roblox performance statistics. In the app, navigate to settings and enable performance statistics. This can help you identify any performance related issues. The third thing that you can do is to delete Roblox app cache. Clear the cache for the Roblox app. Now, the fourth thing that you can do is to change the graphics settings on Roblox. Adjust the graphics settings within the Roblox app. Lowering the graphics quality might improve loading times. The fifth thing that you can do is to check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Unstable connection can cause loading issues. The sixth thing that you can do is to update the Roblox app. Make sure you're using the latest version of the app. Check for updates in the PlayStation Store. And last but not the least, what you can do is to update PlayStation system software. Keep your PS4 or PS5 system software up to date. Remember to restart your PS4 or PS5 after making any changes. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this guide helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe.